Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little, I guess, collective haul, unboxing type of thing, but these are just a bunch of little goodies that I've collected over the past couple months probably, or maybe a couple weeks. I don't know. Either way, let's get started. The first one that I'm going to show is a little controversial, I guess. So let me just put this out there, get it out of the way, and let's move on. It is the Jeffree Star, his newer collection, like the nude collection. I will not be saying what it's actually called for obvious reasons, especially because my little ones are around. But we have the large palette and the mini palette that I got. I did already unbox these and try them on, so that's why they're like out of the packaging, and we got rid of that packaging real quick. I either have a video out already. If it's not out there, I will be putting one out there, and I will leave the link to that below. But real quick, this is what it looks like. That's a large one, and this is a little one. I got the luminous setting powder as well, and I got a couple of glosses from the collection. I am wearing, which one? I think I'm wearing Tabletop right now. So that's on my lips. So these I did unbox already, did try them out a little bit, and I did want to include this in this little haul or unboxing, and that's done. Let's move on. Also, disclaimer, I did just work out, and whatever was on my face from before my workout is still on there. I don't know what it actually looks like on camera, but okay. The next thing that we got is by Anamad Cosmetics. You guys know that I love this company. She came out with the new Spanglish collection, which I was so excited about. So I got the whole collection. I got the Spanglish palette. I got the new brushes that were launched with this collection. And I got their primer. It's Pero Primero Primer, which I thought was so cute. It's a long wear sticky pigment base. So I'm excited to try this. I think I might make like a whole video dedicated just to this. Real quick, this is what the palette looks like. And it does come with a mirror, which is great. These are the colors. I was so excited when I saw this. I was like, ooh, it was speaking to me. I do love all the other products that I've tried by Anamad Cosmetics. I believe I've actually tried like all their products. So I'm excited to give this a go. And let me know if you want like a whole video dedicated to this. Okay, next I received a package by Billion Dollar Beauty. They were kind enough to send this to me. Thank you so much for sending it over. And let's just see what we got. We got a box that says Billion Dollar Beauty brows, brushes, and beyond. So very, very cute. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, we got a new beauty sponge. That's awesome. Okay, cool. I think I might do a video dedicated to this as well. So we got the Billion Dollar Beauty sponge, and it is vegan and charcoal infused. I'm so excited to try that out and test it out. The next I got, it's their gold infused illuminator. Ooh, this is a hydrating and luminizing face cream formulated with gold properties to support a natural healthy glow. The next thing that I received from them is their flash and filter, their highlighter and concealer stick in medium. Ooh, I'm very excited for this. It says highlighter and concealer, so this is to conceal. So I believe the highlighter side is like just a little bit more shimmery. I don't really want to use it. I want to make like a whole video dedicated to this, but right there's the highlighter side. Very pretty. Ooh, that was super creamy too. This is the conceal side. Looks like it's gonna be very brightening. So very excited to try that out. Thank you, Billion Dollar Beauty. The next couple of things I got is their Microblade Effect Brow Pen, and I have it in taupe, which I love this. It's so funny because I have tried this, I forget, but it was a darker one, which I love. I really like how it works, but I really had to use like a very light pressure because otherwise it would be dark. And my brows are dark, but I actually don't like my brows as dark as they naturally are. I know, weird. I feel like most people want their brows bolder, but like for me, I don't. I want them bold, but not darker, if that makes sense. I have it in taupe, which I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to be using that. And the last thing that they sent me is their Sculpting Duo Brush. So they have this side that's a little bit smaller and finer, and this one that's obviously bigger and thicker and great. So very, very cool. I'm excited. I definitely am going to be trying those out and let you guys know how I like it. So again, thank you so much, Billion Dollar Beauty, for sending this over to me. You guys are great. Okay, so the next thing that I got is by Colourpop. I did like a little Colourpop haul, but here's the thing. Here's the story. Little background story. Bear with me for a second. Fun fact about me, I have this really bad habit of putting things in my cart when I'm shopping and like keep browsing and browsing and browsing instead of just buying what I was shopping for. And because I'm like, okay, if I'm going to place an order, let me place like a big order so I don't have to pay for shipping twice or whatever it may be. But anyways, so I wanted to place this order on Colourpop. I had these things in my cart, and obviously when I went to check out, the thing that I wanted was sold out, except they had this palette in a bundle with a set of brushes. And I'm like, obviously I don't need brushes. All I want is this palette. But whatever, I was like, let me just buy it. I'm going to bite the bullet because I have something in mind. So I wanted to compare the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop to the Jeffree Star palette. So in order to get the Bare Necessities palette, I had to buy this bundle of brushes that I didn't need, but I wanted to get it, so I got it. Fine. So I think like 8 days later, they were having this huge sale on like, I think the entire website for 20% off. And the Bare Necessities palette was back in stock. So it was too late for me. I bought things full price. I bought this bundle of brushes that I didn't need because I wanted this palette, and they got me. With that being said, we have the Bare Necessities palette. And this is what it looks like. I kind of wanted to do a comparison of this palette with the new Jeffree Star palette because I feel like they're both very kind of basic, the whole natural nude type of thing. This off the bat obviously doesn't have a mirror. The other one does. I'm not going to go too much into it, but I kind of wanted to do a side by side and compare. But maybe I'll make a video dedicated to that. Let me know if you want that. In order to get this, I had to get it with these brushes, which let's take a look and see. These are the brushes. They are very pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Was it necessary? Absolutely not. Is any of this necessary? Absolutely not, but I got it. It is really pretty though. I don't know what the quality of Colourpop brushes are like, but I will try them out. So I could have saved a lot of money if I just waited and then just got this when it was back in stock, but I wouldn't have known. So it's all good. Everything for a reason. I do not regret getting this, but I try not to think about it too much. I also got like these little sets. I got the Blush Crush and the Nude Mood. I kind of wanted to compare these to like the mini palette that came out. And then I actually saw the, I think, Making Mauves palette, and I was like, ooh, I really like that. I should get that, but I didn't. And then when I saw that they were having a sale, they had a trio of the Nude Mood, the Blush Crush, and the Making Mauves, and it was at 20% off. So I know, bummer. This is the Nude Mood. Nice. And this is the Blush Crush.
Can I see it?
Oh. Either way, I'm definitely going to use these. I'm going to try them out. I'm going to play with it, and that's okay. The next thing I got from Colourpop was their Colourpop Land. I think this was like their collab with Candyland or something like that, or their little spin-off of that. But it's the Princess Lolly Roller Gloss, and I got 2 of them, not for me, but for my babies. I just remember having things like this when I was little, and I felt very nostalgic, and I was like, oh, I think the girls would like that. And it's like super, super cute. I don't know. I thought it was adorable. This is what it looks like. My oldest one already opened hers. This is for my littlest one, and I think this is just like clear, and it smells like cherry, and I thought it was super cute. And again, I just remember having these when I was little, and I loved it, just like putting lip gloss on. So the next few things that I'm going to show you are from like beauty supply stores and drugstores, and just like very random. So this whole thing is very random, but we love that. Okay, so from the drugstore, I got a couple of random things, a lot of Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild. So the first thing that I got is by Wet n Wild. It's a Prime Focus Primer Serum. I love their Photo Focus foundation, both the regular and the dewy. So I wanted to test this out and see how it worked. I also got their Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose. If you guys are on Peloton and you know who Kendall Toole is, she's great. She's one of my faves, but she does a couple of like lives on Instagram and stuff like that, and I'm like one of those people that join and watch and whatever. And she always has like a really cool lip color that I liked and I thought would look good on me. And she let everyone know that it was Rebel Rose by Wet n Wild. So I snagged one. Yeah. Also by Wet n Wild, I got their, did I get 2 of them? Okay. Wait. So this is the Photo Focus Concealer, but I guess one place it came in a box and the other place that I got it did not. So wait, that's very strange. This is their, yeah, Photo Focus Concealer. And this is their Photo Focus Concealer. They're the same thing, but they're different. I guess I got it in light honey and I got it in light medium beige. So I'll try them out and see how it works. So I'm glad that I didn't get the exact same color. I will try those out. Okay, so this is by NYX. It is their Dip Shape Go. It is their brow pomade. Sorry, I had a moment. So I wanted to compare this with the Benefit Ka-Brow because I feel like it has like a similar packaging. So I wanted to compare the formula. I have it in ash brown. I have the Benefit Ka-Brow on my brows now. I did work out, so I don't know exactly what they're looking like. So yeah, I want to just try this out and compare. And then I also got another concealer, which apparently I've just been like all about concealer. But I got their e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Light Sand. So I've never used this. I think I've heard good things about it. I'm not sure. But I kind of just saw it and wanted to pick it up, so I got it. Okay, so the next things are from the Beauty Supply. And one of my beauty supplies carries Murad, which I love. Their products actually have been pretty good to my skin, especially because my skin has been a little bit of a disaster. But 2 of these I have already used. The Invisascar Resurfacing Treatment. I did speak about this in my favorites video. I really, really like this stuff. I noticed a difference. I think, again, I'm going to be doing like a little series on this. I don't know. But yes, so this is the Invisascar Resurfacing Treatment and the Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So it's like their moisturizer. But so these 2 I have used already. I do really like. The other things I have not used yet. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. For those of you who don't know, my skin has been like the worst it's ever been in my life. Even after a blemish is gone, it leaves a dark spot. So I thought this would be good to try to lighten up those problem areas. So I'm going to try this out as well. Then I got, this is by who is this by? Maria Nila? I don't know. They had it again at the Beauty Supply, and I got their True Soft Shampoo and True Soft Conditioner. I just got like these little travel size just to try it out. It's vegan and cruelty free. It has argan oil, sulfate free, paraben free, Color Guard complex, and it's produced in Sweden. So whatever that means. So I kind of just like the packaging. I wanted to try new shampoo. Not that I had an issue with my old shampoo. I just love trying new things. I thought it was cute. I was shopping with my daughter and she said we should get it, so we got it. Another thing that we got was the IQ or EQ. I think it's called IQ. The No Frizz, No Drama shampoo. It has camellia seed oil, which I love, and avocado oil. So this is supposed to smooth and defrizz hair. No silicones, no parabens, no paraffin. So I wanted to try this out too and see how that worked. And then we also got the spray, a duo treatment spray. I think you have to shake it up. It also has the almond oil, avocado oil. Yeah, spray it in your hair. See how that works. The next thing we got was this rhinestones only nail polish. So we've been very into our nails lately. My girls and I, we have like stickers and rhinestones. So I picked up this nail polish to help with. Yeah, her nails are green. They're beautiful. To help with the rhinestones that we bought. Last we got the Kenra Air Dry Cream. I really like air dry creams when I wear my hair curly. I love the Pureology one. I do like the Redken one. I've never tried the Kenra one, so I got this little size to try it out. What did I get? Next I got this random color brush. I think my daughter picked it out because it was like rainbow bristles. She thought it was pretty, so I got it for when I do color. And lastly, I got these clips. They're like, I think for my daughter. Yeah, because they're like not really my style, but like they're very trendy right now. Those like big clips and stuff like that. Like, oh, hi, so cute, right? I don't know. But anyways, they are cute. They're really cute. But my baby wanted them, so I got them. I don't know. Whatever, they're cute. We managed to get through all of that. Let me go take care of my children now. But anyway, so that's what I picked up recently. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell for notifications, be sure to stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Little primer, which I thought was whatever, girls. You're laughing because I dropped it. So, yeah. I know, I dropped it. I got the luminous setting. Just like worked out, so I really don't know what my brows look like. What are you doing? Sorry if you saw a little hand, that was my dog. I don't like, I test things out. Please put your hand away, little one. Oh! Okay, sorry, we have a little hair situation. Your hair looks